do a short video of the 2002 12-foot 3/4 inch Cincinnati hydraulic shear. This machine has a fully programmable back gauge and control that you can control the back gauge, which is 48 inches. It has a swing up back gauge. If you want to cart parts longer than 48 inches, it swings up out of the way. You can control the length of the stroke, the speed of the stroke, the in-feed of the material. It does have an in-feed set of in-feed rollers that we'll show you here in a little bit, but it's not hooked to the machine, so it's laying separate on the floor, but it does work. So we'll go around this briefly, and then I'll have Keith power it up and see what it'll do. It does have air-operated ball transfers in the table that pop up and in the squaring arm. All the hydraulic hold downs were removed. There were a couple of them that were leaking, so they were all taken off and all new seals put in all of them. The hydraulic pump and motor were replaced a couple years ago by the folks that we bought it from. That blue line under that's the hydraulic lines that drive the in-feed rollers. These are the power-driven in-feed rollers that feed the material into the machine. This sits on the floor. In front of the machine. It doesn't stand up very well, that's why it's lagged to those boards. We bought the 12-inch I-beams that the machine is sitting on so we could set it up and run it. That black cylinder is what they call an end support. That's an option for the machine. It's described in the manuals. We do have the operator's manuals for the machine, parts, service. We'll go ahead and have Keith power the machine up and see it operate. The machine is wired 460 volts. The foot pedals are selectable. You can use right, left, or both. You can control the upstroke. if you can see it, but that's the power rake adjustment. The left side of the blade is coming down, flatten out the rake. Now that he has the rake flattened out, when it strokes, it doesn't come down as far. Okay. Those gray boxes that are on both ends of the machine, those control the forward and reverse material in-feed rolls. There's two separate rolls with two separate drive motors, so the right side controls the right set of rolls, and the left side controls the left set of rolls.
That's even shorter.
Okay. Make the transfer balls pop up here. Okay, there's the air operated transfer balls popping up, material transfer balls. Okay. Okay, the back gauge, you can set multiple steps for the back gauge. Like if you want to shear 10 parts at 20 inches and 10 parts at 6 inches and 20 parts at 30 inches, you can program the back gauge to do that. You go ahead and right now I think the back gauge is set at 20 inches. He's going to move it to 30. How the back gauge operates. He's running the back gauge. The back gauge comes back and then it moves forward for final position, and then he'll show how the back gauge swings up out of the way. Back gauge has to be all the way back for it to swing up out of the way. Yeah, go ahead. Okay, I think that should give you a pretty good idea of what we got here. If after you watch the video you have questions about something in particular, we'll be happy to answer them for you. The end support, the material end support there that I talked about earlier, is where it supports the end of the sheet. Okay. Any questions? Feel free to give us a call.